Hi, my name is Saro, UX Manager at WaveDNA. In this video, I'm going to show you how the Livid Base controller is MIDI-mapped to Liquid Rhythm. The Livid Base is a very versatile and powerful controller, and its colorful interface is perfectly complementary to Liquid Rhythm. Liquid Rhythm's MIDI mapping is laid out across two pages. The first page is the Beat Builder. This is where you build, refine, and edit your MIDI patterns. The second page is the Arranger. This is where you navigate your rhythm arrangement. It also features tools and shortcuts to generate variations on the patterns you built on the first page. This button on the top right switches between the two of them. The buttons across the top are constant for both pages. They feature global functions such as play and stop, undo and redo, and zoom controls. Let's start with the Beat Builder page. Normally, step sequencers allow you to sequence notes one at a time. Liquid Rhythm lets you sequence multiple notes at a time using small groups of notes. They fit within an eighth of a bar. You can think of this as a two-dimensional step sequencer. The horizontal direction is the length of the bar. So this is the start, and this is the end of the bar. The vertical direction lets me sequence using other beat forms that are in my beatform sequencer. For example, in my current setup, the first row inserts beat forms that represent eighth notes. The second row inserts groups of 16th notes. And this row inserts groups of triplets. A quick way to change all the beat forms into one type is to press these buttons here. Columns that have no beat form selected in the sequencer are red. Columns that do are yellow, and the selection is green. The interface is displaying rows 1 to 4 of the sequencer. If you have more than 4 rows of beat forms, you can flip the controller to view rows 5 to 8. Let's take a look at the velocity controls. With these sliders, I can adjust the velocities of my notes according to their locations in a bar. Right now I'm adjusting the velocities on all the notes that are on the dark blue locations and all the light blue locations. You can think of these as the downbeats and the upbeats. If I want to adjust all of them together, I'll use this slider. These sliders are the groove sliders. They allow me to nudge notes ahead and behind in time. I'm going to flip over to the Arranger page now. To navigate the Arranger, use the directional buttons here. They represent up, down, left, and right. It's great to use these with the 8 bar form insert buttons along the side here. These buttons insert a 1-bar rhythm pattern from this list directly into the selected bars. To select multiple regions, press this button here. It works as though you're pressing Shift on your computer's keyboard. You can also perform other functions as well, such as copy, paste, and delete. A quick shortcut to copy and paste is the duplicate function. This section has selection features such as select row, column, or select all. The other two major features of the arranger page are the randomizer and the regroover. Let's take a look at the randomizer first. This is the main button for the randomizer. Pressing it will generate a pattern in whichever bars you have selected. The randomizer also has a few parameters you can play with to control the patterns that are generated. Those controls are here. The buttons correspond to the toggle buttons in Liquid Rhythm, which activate and deactivate certain features of the randomizer, and the sliders, which control the degree of randomization, are controlled here. The regroover, which creates variations on existing patterns of music, is accessed here. Select the bars you want to regroove, and tap this button. There are other controls here as well, such as loop adjust, which adjusts the length of the loop, tempo change, and the master volume control. Livid Base and Liquid Rhythm together make building your ideas and experimenting with variations a lot of fun. Try it out. Thanks for watching.